Why is it every year I start with a big case, big box? This is gonna be big. Yeah, it's a case review. Man, start with big boxes. So this is for you. Oh, you can see the picture on it now, so you know what it is. This has been sitting in this room for knows how long, and I'm finally getting around to it. It is insane. So this is my first look of this, and your first look. More boxing. Putting that. Oh, material. Oh, part of it, I would say. Right. Wow. So right now this is a 4U case. So that's 4U's in 7 cases manufactured. Nice sun screws. So it's got a nice instruction manual on how to put everything in. That's good. Nice. So it's loaded for bear. Give you that. And some nice hardware. So you got your screws, your key, and everything. And it's got how does that one play? Alright, so it's taking fresh air in here and it's going out the back. That's nice. Oh, it's already been laid out for me. Yeah, so it can fit. Oh, for the SATA drives. Okay, that makes sense. So it can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 SATA. It can fit another one here, I think. Let me just read the manual. Let's install the GPU. So I can go 6 installation hard drives in it. It's good. It can do 2 SATA, but we're going hard drives. And it's got some other stuff. I can put CD drives in it. I don't want CD drives in it. Oh. This thing's going to be hard drives, no CD drives. So, and then at the front, that's for your power there. So it can fit from everything from 80x to smaller, but I don't know why you would want to go smaller than that. I don't know what these are for. What does it say? What's it for? No, it doesn't. But that's okay. At the front we have. Alright, yeah, so it's basically. Oh wow! So basically your reset switches are there. Good! It's nice. Wow. So a bit texture to it. So yeah, so this is good. Oh, I've got a spare motherboard here. That's good. I say spare motherboard. My house. I'm not putting this in straight away. Push. I wish I had my... Really? Oh, a second. Shoot. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's good space. So, yeah, this is perfect. And a bit like this, you'll see what it looks like in there, which is perfect. ATX, sorry, motherboard. Perfect. I'm happy with that. So, next part of this, you'll see me building this case. Obviously, I need to find the IO for this thing, but I'm sure I know where that is. Quick, where that is, where it's stored. So what I'll do is, this is a very quick unboxing of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.